time. If you are come by late by 30 minutes, you will lose that game. Tie break systems, we are using Bukoj Gatwan, Bukoj all, direct encounter, Suneban Bajjar, greater number of victories. These are 5 tie breaks we are using here, and electronic devices are not allowed inside the tournament hall. Kindly switch off your mobile phone and keep it on the table. Okay, remove watch, wristwatches, any kind of wristwatches, mobile phones, all electronic devices are not allowed inside the tournament hall. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಗೇಮನ್ನು ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Disqualification. If any player found is concealing his identity, his name, for example rating, if he is concealing his identity, that player is concerned will be expelled from the event without any further notice. Discussion analysis. As long as game is in progress, a player may talk only to the arbiter, not with the player, not with the opponent. Permitted by loss of chess. Analysis is not allowed inside the tournament hall. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೇಮ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಆ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಮೂವ್, ದ ವಿಜುವಲಿ ಇಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೂವ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ಸೊ that his opponent comes to know of the move. Instead of writing the move on a score sheet, the visually impaired player writes on the move will or record the move on a tape recorder. You can record a move by using tape recorder. Withdrawal. If any player wants to, in between the round, withdrawal from the tournament, you have to give the writing a letter to the chief arbiter and he can withdraw from the tournament. After making a in regular interval, arbiter will tell remaining time to the both players during the time pressure. After making his move, before pressing the clock, player may request to the arbiter to know this time. On the visually handicapped player, board is a pieces shall be considered touch when it has been taken out from the securing aperture. A move shall be considered executed. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್, the captured piece has been removed from the board of a player whose turn is to move. Then the piece is placed into a different security aperture. The move has been announced. These are the move is executed. A slip of the tongue in the announcement of the move must be corrected immediately and before the clock of the opponent has started. Players whose opponent have not turned up in the first round may be paid manually to avoid walkovers. Spectators are not allowed inside the tournament hall. The player is considered as a spectator after completion of his game. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೇಮ್ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. Protest if any against the decision of the arbiter. My son Basaraj and Akash is there. He is also today arbiter. He is giving some decisions. Then you are not comfortable with his decisions, you should call to the chief arbiter. Nanu bartini. In case if you are not comfortable with my decision, you can go to the appeals committee with a protest fees of 500 rupees within 15 minutes of the incident occurrence. The player's fee shall be refunded if the appeal is upheld. Otherwise, it will go to the organizer's fund. I am forming an appeal committee to this tournament. I am announcing that Sri Krishna Udupa sir is in the appeals committee. Shashidhar KM ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ and Shivan Gowda NM. These three members are in appeals committee and
ಹೌದಾ, ಏನೇನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ?
Ramesh R.
ಹಾ?
and Kiran Kumar Sippy.
Upload
Kiran Kumar
ಮಾಡು.
ಇದೀರಾ? ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, right. And players are requested to inform chief arbiter if any correction, name correction, ID, rating, whatever, you have to contact the chief arbiter and you can update it. FIDE fair play procedures will be